Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today we are going to present to you our project, an online book trading system which is designed to promote sharing, sustainability, and also love for reading. And the name we chosen for our system is Chapters Web, whereby it reflects the heart of our platform, a place where every book begins a new chapter with someone else. So these are our team members, me myself, Sharifa Ajarna, and the rest we have Shohada, Irdina, Zulaika, and also Shakira. So basically, throughout today's presentation, we are going through 9 items that, and they are first, product perspective, product functions, user characteristic, operating environment, general constraints, functional requirements, performance requirements, safety and security requirements, and finally, interfaces.
Our project perspective is the online book trading system oversee all the process from searching to delivery tracking through a seamless platform. It promotes safe third-party integration which ensure payments and precision in real time while encrypting data. This system can be expanded to incorporate advanced trading features and admin responsible in handling user management, books update and delivery status.
Hi, my name is Nisha Damaini binti Uthman and I will present to you the product function. For the product function, we have book listing, book search and browse, trade management, admin management, user registration and authentication, and also notification system. For the book listing, user can add book with detail which is title, author, and condition to their personal inventory. Next, we have book search and browse, which is user can search for books using filters such as title, author, genre, and condition. Next, we have trade management. User can initiate, accept, or reject trade requests. Next, admin management, which is admin can manage users, oversee disputes, and maintain the data integrity. And notification and for the notification system, um, alert for trade requests, response, and system updates. And last, we have user registration and authentication, allowing user to sign up, log in, and manage profile. That's all for the product function. Okay, next for the user characteristic, the system serves two main user groups, which is general user and administrative. For the general user, they are typically book enthusiasts, which is they are often students or casual readers who prefer trading books over buying them, motivated by the desire to save money and share resources. They generally have basic technical proficiency and are comfortable using simple interface. For the administrator, on the other hand, possess moderate to advanced technical skills and are responsible for overseeing system operation, managing user accounts, and resolving technical or community-related issues to ensure a smooth and secure user experience. That's all for the user characteristics.
I'm going to talk about operating environment. So, operating environment is basically means where and how our system works. It includes things like which devices and browsers can access, whether it needs an internet connection, and what kind of server it runs on. As for Chapters Web, we design it to be web based so it can run smoothly on any modern devices with internet access. So first thing first, we can see that Chapters Web is actually a web-based platform where users can access it directly through any standard web browser without needing to install anything. Especially, it works well with Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and also Safari. As for hosting, the system is deployed on a cloud-based server or shared hosting platform, and it supports common web technologies like PHP, Node.java, and also Python. And it also uses a relational database such as MySQL or PostgreSQL to store user data, book listings, and also trade history. And in terms of compatibility, Chapters Web works smoothly across different operating systems. For example, we have Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and mobile platforms like Android and iOS. As long as the device has a browser and internet connection, they're good to go. And overall, this setup ensures that Chapters Web is accessible, flexible, and reliable for all types of users.
Okay, next is general constraints. First, platform constraint, web-based system. So requires internet connectivity and a compatible browser. Second, data storage. Must efficiently handle book listing, user profiles, and thread history. Third, for authentication, secure login mechanism must be enforced to protect user data. And lastly is limited scalability. Initially designed for small to medium user base, may need optimization for larger audience.
Next, let us take a look over functional requirements for Chapters Web. There are a couple of items listed here, and it includes user authentication, whereby user can register, log in, and manage secure sessions. Book listings, where user can add, edit, or delete books for trade. Search and browse to find books by title, author, or category. Trade requests to initiate, accept, decline, or cancel trades between users. Status tracking, monitor trade process, whether the book is pending, completed, or have been accepted by the user. And messaging, where users can communicate with users during active trades. And user profile, which means users can view and also edit their profile and track trade history. And next, as we can see here, users can receive notification whereby they will receive alerts for trade actions and messages. And next, admin can control or manage users, listings, and also delivery status. And Chapters Web is protected by encrypted passwords and also session timeout.
For performance requirements, our online book trading system is designed to deliver a smooth user experience. First, it should be available 24/7, ensuring user can trade or browse books at any time. Secondly, we aim for fast response time where pages should load within 2 or 3 seconds under normal internet conditions. The system is also designed to handle up to 50 users at once during peak hours. Scalability is also considered. This also allow us to integrate more advanced features in the future without redesigning the whole system. Lastly, we optimize our database using indexing to ensure book searches and queries run quickly and efficiently.
For functional requirement, we have shopping cart, which allow users to add or remove books. Order modification allow users to modify or cancel orders before shipping. Reporting, which allow admins to generate sales activity. Search functionality, which allow users to search for books by the title, author, genre, or SKU. Other than that, the system has processes transaction, which process purchase through a secure interface, customer information management, which store and track customers' purchasing history, user administration, which allow the admin to register and manage user accounts. And last, we have payment methods, which offer different payment options.
Security is a top priority in our system. We implemented secure logins functionality where user passwords are hashed to prevent unauthorized access. Each user role, which is admin, vendor, or customer, has control access to only the features they are authorized to use. To protect user accounts, sessions automatically expire after a period of inactivity. Input fields are validated and sanitized to avoid common web attacks such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting. In the future, We plan to integrate a database backup feature to further enhance data security and recovery to our system.
And finally, the last item on our presentation today, which is interfaces. I'll briefly explain the hardware interfaces used in our system, which is Chapter 12. So, first of all, for client devices, the system can be accessed using PCs, laptops, smartphones, or tablets, as long as they have a web browser, so that users can trade books from almost any device. As for input, users can interact with the system using a keyboard and mouse on desktops or laptops or touchscreen on mobile devices. On the server side, the system is hosted using cloud or shared hosting infrastructure with enough CPU, RAM, and storage to handle user activity and data processing. And finally, the system requires internet connectivity both on the client and also server side through either Wi Fi or Ethernet to enable real time interactions and smooth performance. And these hardware components work together to ensure the system runs efficiently and is easily accessible for everyone.
Okay, next is software interface. MySQL for storing user data, book listing, and trade records. Web server, Apache, backend server, Node.js, email service, SMTP, and authentication libraries is Passport.js. Yes.
In our online boot trading system, the communication interface includes both technical data transfer and how users interact with each other. The user interface is fully web-based, developed using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Communication between the front end and the back end is done via HTTP or HTTPS protocol for secure data transmission. User perform actions such as login, book posting, and registration through form submission, which are processed by PHP on the server. These scripts interact with the MySQL database to retrieve or store data. Additionally, the system features a built-in user-to-user messaging module. This allows buyers and sellers to communicate directly within the platform, whether it is to negotiate trades, ask for more details, or arrange a meeting. This is to enhance the user experience and trust.
So this is our user interface. It provides login, registration page, dashboard, book listing interface, book search browsing page, messaging interface, user profile page, trade management interface, which provides option to send, accept, decline, or cancel trade requests, and it shall be built with HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript.